In my previous video, I've shown you how to turn off the internet from your TV. However, your TV will still remember your network's details. So, in this video, I will show you how to do a factory reset of your TV so that your TV would forget all your settings, including your network settings. So, let's get started. Step 1. Press the home button on your remote control. Go to the settings. Go to the system settings. Scroll down to general setup. Select it. Scroll all the way down to factory settings. Select it. Then it would ask you, do you want to restore factory settings? Then you change to yes and select yes. In few minutes, your TV would be resetted. First thing it would ask is to select your language. Obviously, I will select English. There are 24 steps. We have just completed the first step, but don't worry, there are simple and quick steps. Simply select next. Select your country. Enter a PIN. Select between home or shop. I select home. Select tabletop stand if your TV is on the table. I don't watch satellite, so I skip. Most of these steps you could easily skip and set them up later, and that's what I'm gonna do in this video. So select skip and continue. You can change the date or simply just continue. If it would ask you to set up an internet connection, just select skip. I think disabling this feature is better, but for this video I just went with the default and enabled the feature. So this is the place where Sony would ask you whether you want to send your history log to them by using your internet. Obviously, if your internet is not connected, you would not be able to do it, but anyways, I will select no. This page is just information regarding sensing features. So select next. Here it is, the setup is completed. We have successfully completed a factory reset. Obviously, for more information, please refer to our manuals within the TV itself. Now, if you select OK and then go to settings and then go to network settings, you would see that the LAN Wi-Fi is turned off and your TV doesn't remember any information regarding your network details.